Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Mini Aubrey. We love you! Hindi na kami inom. Diba? Party with friends. Wala na. Susuka ko pa mamaya.
Hoy! Asan na? Mag-request ka uli dyan.
Next.
Next
Ano
na.
yung request mo? Ano yung request mo?
It's Mitch's.
Ano yung request mo?
Hey, you already had cream soda. Oh, yeah, please.
Anong message mo sa ating birthday boy? Na-blanco. Ano?
Next.
Alam naman niya na... Ano talaga? Pass mo na ako eh.
We love you.
We love you lang yun. We love you. No matter what happen, andito lang naman yung mga Mars.
Yes.
We're always happy for you.
Message lang for Mitch.
Hi, Mitch. You know that I love you so much.
Ang gigigil ako sa'yo talaga, pa-cute talaga.
Till our next Boston Pizza. Because I'm not that drunk yet, and that's why I'm so demure right now. I love you, and will always will. Thank you for being a designated driver all the time. Thank you for being so generous, the camper queen. I don't know what else I could say. Yeah, like you're bringing the whole house every time we camp. I love you, and stay that way because you are. You're so good, just keeping us lazy all the time.
We love you. Diba ang sexy ng birthday girl?